The complete package system for all pressing and monitoring needs is the Promess Workstation. With our broad range of presses, Promess Workstations are capable of handling any application. From a size 1 workstation with capacities ranging from 0.2 to 12 kilonewtons of force, all the way up to the size 5 workstation, allowing up to 500 kilonewtons. This standalone unit features either a Promess EMAP for pressing and pulling capabilities, or a Promess REMAP for press and pull as well as rotational motion. Included with every Promess workstation is the Promess Ultrapro controller for precise cycle and motion control, a built-in load cell and encoder for force and position monitoring, and a push-button box for simple machine operation and accessibility. Promess offers nearly unlimited workstation configurations to fit any processor part. These include 4-post frame workstations, compact benchtop workstations, workstations with integrated part shuttle, C-frame workstations with extended throat, as well as workstations with a built-in HMI. Promess workstations also include our powerful Ultrapro software. Ultrapro software is carefully designed for simple programming as well as easy data acquisition and analysis. The Promess Workstation, a completely electric standalone unit for all your pressing needs.